Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Grafted Technology. If this is your first time being on this channel, you are welcome and consider supporting the channel by subscribing. Alright, so in today's video, I want to show you how you can convert this Word document that you're looking at here into a Microsoft PowerPoint. It's that easy. So you can convert this into something like this, all right, using AI. And let me show you how to do that. Just head over to your browser and type in word.office.com. Once you're there, log in with your user name and password, and you have something similar like this. Once you get to this point, go straight and upload your document that you want to transform to PowerPoint. So here is the document I want to convert to PowerPoint. So I'll click on that and open it. It's uploading to OneDrive. So if you haven't seen the video on how to use OneDrive, I'm going to put a link here so you can see how to work with OneDrive. So once it uploads, it's going to open a different tab. And you need to have an internet because this is done online. So it has uploaded, and this is the document. It's on OneDrive, in OneDrive right now. So what you need to do is go straight to where you have your file menu. Click on the file menu, scroll down, and you'll see the export. Click on the export button, and this is the button, export to PowerPoint presentation. It's a new feature here, so click on that. So here it has brought out different presentation platforms. So all you need to do is just choose the one that best suits your preference. So I'm just going to be choosing this first one, and then I'll click on the export. So as you can see, it's preparing it, and yay, it's done. So I'll click on the open presentation. So here it is. You will notice that it has prepared my Word document. It has converted what I see here, what you can see right here, to a beautiful PowerPoint presentation. You can see that if I just hover around, you will see it. Although it's not properly done, you can see here there's no title, but you can just click on that and add your heading, slide heading there. So but this is really beautiful. It takes little time to get this done. And if you scroll through to this right hand side, you will see the design section. Okay, so I can decide to choose any of this, whichever one that I like. That's if I do not like the initial stuff that it gave to me. So these are different styles that you can actually choose for your slide presentation. So this is really cool. Now the next thing I want to show you, once it converts it to a PowerPoint presentation, look up here, it automatically saves it to OneDrive. So if you haven't watched my video on how to use OneDrive, you can go here. I'm going to put a link up here so you can watch how to use the OneDrive. All right, so you can download this document. So I'm just gonna close this section. All right, so you can download the document from here, go through, open in desktop app. So you click on this section, it's just going to open up to you. I hope you do enjoy this video. Please click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video for more tech tips like this. Bye.